It's been 4 days since that massive cloudburst in Kishtwar spent so many people missing, and also at this moment people sitting on the edge of hope trying to find their loved ones. The search for the victims continue. In Kishtwar, the death toll has crossed 60. More than 50 to 60 people are still missing. Army has built a bridge to facilitate the rescue operations. NDTV has been reporting from the ground. Take a look at this report sent by my colleague Shreya.
Well, at this site of complete devastation, there is a glimmer of hope. Within hours, we saw the rescue teams here have constructed this concrete bridge that will help the commuters, the villagers who are placed there, who are stuck there in Machel or Hamori villages. They can commute and cross that area and go towards that side. Earlier, a makeshift bridge was set up, and now within hours, you can see the Indian Army alongside the NDRF, SDRF members. They have constructed this 2-meter width bridge, that will help the people, especially the senior citizens, women, and also two-wheelers to commute. It will help them in, going back to their home ground. Remember, across that area in the villages of Hamori and Machel, there are several people who are living in their relatives' place, in their neighbors' place, who have lost their homes. Their homes have been swept away. The visuals that we are showing you is of massive boulders which are yet to be removed. People are suspecting that there could be people buried under these massive boulders. An hour back, we saw a massive rock blasting taking place here, because these boulders, as you can see, the size is huge, it's massive. It's difficult for these JCBs to break and crack open these rocks and to remove them, and that is why the rescue teams are exploding those rocks. And here you can see the mighty tributary of the Chenab River. This is the site where complete trail of death, devastation and destruction had taken place on the 14th of August, when a sudden cloud burst led to massive flash floods here that has claimed the lives of at least 60 people. Machel Mata Yatra is now attracting a large number of tourists at this point. It has gained a lot of popularity. 3 lakh people congregate here, and yet there is no pilgrimage infrastructure. There is no limit on the tourists who can come here.
See, firstly, I would contest this thing that the yatra was stopped. If at all it was stopped for a day or so, but then there was a consecutive warning as well. There were 2 warnings. I hold those warnings with me. There were 2 warnings, each for 48 hours. Each for 48 hours, yes. So, my first question is this yatra being regulated by way of registrations? Is there any registration? You yourself say that it is getting popular day by day. So every yatra should have a registration. Why is there no registration? Number 1. Number 2, if there was a warning, why then it was reopened? If at all it was closed for a day or so, why it was reopened? Number 3, is there enough of infrastructure to does this place have the capacity to hold a large number of pilgrims? If not, then why isn't it regulated? Number 4, that why this road has such a bad condition, which was started in 2010.